good afternoon, guys. So today we'll do a short sightseeing flight over the Sierras. We'll just go from Santa Cruz, Watsonville directly to Yosemite. We'll basically fly direct to the Mariposa Yosemite Airport. We'll fly VFR, no IFR flight plan, and we'll start at 13,500 feet. We might get flight following, but otherwise it should just be a short fun flight, so hope you guys enjoy it. And my co-pilot here is going to do some of the flying. Right?
Yes.
3 Alpha November, you want to go first?
No, go ahead, we're fine.
Okay, so if you want to see the takeoff, you can just put your hand here and see what I'm doing, okay? And you can look at the speed here, at 90 knots is when we lift off, okay?
Yes.
We'll bring the gear up and the flaps up at 115 knots. Okay. Okay, so ready to go? Western traffic, Vision Jet 4 Papa Victor, taking off from runway 20 for a left, downwind departure, Watsonville. Max power. Knots. I'm pulling back, you see a little bit on the yoke here, 70 knots, 80 knots, and 90 knots, lift off. We are climbing, so gear up, and you see the speed here, when the speed gets to 115, flaps up. Now I commanded the flaps up. And we are still at max power. Yes, do you see traffic? Yeah, so the flaps are not coming up, so we're probably going to get a flaps failure here. So we'll ignore this for now, we'll just continue to climb to get a little bit of altitude here, then we'll turn downwind. Yeah, so basically here we have a flaps fail CAS message.
Another one.
Okay, so I'm going to pull back the tower now, we are at 1200 feet, I'm going to turn crosswind. Western traffic, Vision Jet 4 Papa Victor, left crosswind 20, Watsonville. Okay, so the flaps fail issue is an issue that happened a couple times already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the checklist here and follow the checklist, and I continue my climb now. And there is not much problem climbing with the flaps at 50. We look for traffic right now. So if I go to a checklist here, and I go to a caution message, flaps fail. Western traffic, Vision Jet 4 Papa Victor, left downwind 20, 3000 feet and climbing, leaving the area to the northeast, Watsonville. So we look for traffic. Alright, so the flaps fail procedure is going to be here somewhere. Okay, flaps fail caution. So it's a caution message, it's a yellow message, that means it's an important message, but it's not an emergency. So what does it say? It says flaps is last known safe position, which was 50%. So you put it back to 50%, okay? Okay, and then pull the circuit breaker C2. So I have the circuit breaker here, so I'm going to pull it C2, okay? So I'm pulling C2. And then I'm going to push it back, alright? And perform. Okay, so now we can try again to bring the flaps up.
Alright, they're coming up.
Alright, so
Flaps
so the message disappeared here. So we are done with the checklist. We can go back to our normal checklist here, which is our climb. And we solved the problem. Alright, so now we are not on our final heading. Let's turn to a heading of 060 where we are going. And I'm going to engage the autopilot in a climb mode, 160 knots.
There, traffic 559, Hotel Bravo, making a right down.
And we climb to 13,500. Nav mode, autopilot mode.
Boston traffic, Cessna 213 Alpha November on close window, runway 20, left downwind departure.
So nav, autopilot, and there should be direct KMPI here. Should be going, oh yeah, it's going to track back my track here. So what I can do is do direct, because here it's turning left to intercept, but if I do direct here, I'm going to be able to fly
Yep, there it goes.
directly to our destination. So our destination is not the airport, it's just the waypoint we're going to fly over to do our tour above Yosemite. So we are VFR, so obviously if we find any clouds along the way, we'll have to
500.
either stay below them or above them or get an IFR clearance. Okay, so I'm climbing now at maximum power, engine parameter, everything looks good here, flaps are up, cabin pressure is 680 feet, I see the differential pressure coming up, so the cabin is being pressurized, and we will need to change the altimeter setting. So what I'm going to do is monitor NorCal on my way there, and maybe they can give me a squawk code, just to follow me.
5 going to tower 11952, thanks for your help.
Okay. So yeah, this takeoff just had a demonstration of we did have a crew alerting system error with the flaps. I don't think it's a sensor issue because the sensor always knows exactly where the flaps are up. It's probably the flap controller that reboots itself when I start the engine. I don't know yet, but we'll have this check at the next visit to the maintenance shop. I've had this problem happen a few times. It's completely random.
Oh, is that a Boeing?
Yep.
Hey.
I'm coming. Where is he?
He's turning right, and
Where's he going straight?
he's going straight. Yeah, he's going pretty straight.
Yeah, so let me call NorCal. NorCal, Vision Jet 34 for Papa Victor, VFR request.
November 344 Delta Victor NorCal approach, go ahead.
344 Papa Victor, we are VFR from Watsonville to the Yosemite area for some maneuvering, and would just like to get a squawk code with you guys. Type is SF50 Sierra Foxtrot 50, climbing to 13,500, 344 Papa Victor.
November 4 Papa Victor, contact NorCal approach on 124.52.
12452 for Papa Victor, thank you. Okay, so 12452.
Approach, resume your own navigation.
Yeah, did you see this guy somewhere? Is he coming back?
He's going way faster than us. So
Which direction is he going?
He's right over there, and
Yeah.
he's going straight that way.
Oh, okay.
And he's just a couple hundred feet above, or
Okay.
maybe like 1,000 feet above the mountains.
Alright, so we are at 13,500 feet now. And I'm going to back up the power, don't need to go too fast. I'm like doing 93 gallons an hour.
Keep it here, let's
And
go 250
And if I back up the power just a little bit, it has a huge influence on the fuel flow. And we're still going fast, we're still going 236 knots.
Does not feel like it.
NorCal American 29.
So I can pull back the power at 33%. I'm going to call NorCal.
November 344
Okay.
Papa Victor, NorCal
So
approach,
when
hello?
3 for Papa Victor, with you, yes, 13,500.
Just maintain VFR below 13.5, sir.
At or below 13.5 for now, for 3 for Papa Victor.
And I understand that you're at the squawk 1200 and do your own thing out there, but in the future, if you take off out of that area, you need to call me for flight following. So you have carved up my skies and just disrupted the traffic into San Jose today.
For Papa Victor, Roger, yeah, we saw that. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay, very good. Southwest 563, turn right.
Okay, so I guess maybe this guy turned because he saw us coming, but we don't have to talk to them, okay? It's really, it's not mandatory, but because we are flying relatively high, yeah, that disturbs the traffic a little bit. Alright guys, so we are approaching the Sierras here. We've been flying for 26 minutes, and we're headed straight to Yosemite. I can see the Half Dome in front of me, and we just do a little tour over there and head back. Let me get position here a little bit more
121.3
to the left, so you can make a nice footage of the
Half Dome.
Yosemite Half Dome, yes.
You know, at one point, the Half Dome was a full dome.
I see it on the...
That's possible, yeah, because
96 Hotel.
it looks like it just broke, you know, in the middle. Yosemite Half Dome. Yeah, I don't see anybody there. I'm going to climb to 14,500. Just to get a little more clearance. So do a small pan, a slow pan here. Yeah, it's very nice, Poussin. A slow pan. Yep, make sure the camera is straight, horizontal. So hope you guys are enjoying this mountain surfing here. It's a beautiful winter afternoon.
Yep.
Well, Southwest 1281 on 280 to San VVM, so we've got information.
Yep, very nice.
Good.
So we'll just do a loop here around Mammoth Lakes. Hopefully we won't get too much turbulence here. And we are now 14,500 feet. I could make it 15,000 just to be a little safer. But we should have way more than 1,000 feet clearance here. So the wind is coming from behind me, so maybe a little bit of turbulence on the other side. We'll see. And also some downdraft. Yep, you see those mountains are high, huh?
Yeah. From here you can really see the true size of...
So I'm going to make, you know, a large 180 turn around those mountains here, Poussin, so you can shoot them while I'm starting to do that. I will let you know, okay?
35.
Yep, we have good clearance here.
Alright. Let me know when.
Yep, let me pass this ridge here. We'll just do a shallow turn. I'm going to go a little more here, maybe a minute more. Okay, go ahead, start shooting, and you basically just shoot those mountains here. Okay, you can hold the camera there.
Alright. There's a frozen bit of water right there.
So Mammoth Airport is just in front of me. You guys can see it with the other camera. You can see the long runway there. That's Mammoth Airport.
And then what lake is that?
I think it's Mono Lake or something like that. I will have to check. This big lake here, yep.
Grant Lake.
Grant Lake.
Grant Lake.
Yep. Or maybe that's the small lake here.
That is a big lake.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just do a tour around those peaks here. Yeah, a little bit of turbulence here.
Yeah, this
that
is-
was expected.
Yeah, not really helping with the stabilization of the camera here. Mountain is great. And the huge shadows that they cast, and then there's a frozen lake right there. More like a pond. There's one there too. And another one there.
Yep, a little bit of turbulence.
Not
It's okay,
helping.
we're not going very fast.
I think 160 knots is pretty fast.
Yep, that was expected. Yep, can you shoot here a little movie again? We
Yeah.
are just above.
Southwest 1281, take care.
Wow.
Alright,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You're glad we are recording this? Yep, it's a beautiful afternoon. I can see here over the San Joaquin Valley, it's all hazy.
Maybe we can do one more loop around this, like...
No, we won't do it. Not today, we have enough, Poussin. So, we can try to spot the half dome. I don't know if we can spot it, I mean, it's probably around here.
I think... Is that?
No, maybe it's over here, or maybe it's just straight ahead. Okay.
Oh no, yeah, it's right there. I see it. It's directly in front of us.
Yep.
And then... Is Lake Tahoe? Yeah, Lake Tahoe.
No, Lake Tahoe is the other direction.
Really?
Yes, it's north. Okay.
What?
I mean, there are several small lakes around here, but no, Lake Tahoe is all the way there, northwest. Yep. Yeah, so we just had a little bit of turbulence on the leeway side of the mountains, which is expected since we had about 30 knots of wind crossing the ridge. This typically creates rotor clouds.
There's another frozen lake right there. There's two frozen little ponds. There's three frozen little ponds.
Yep, so we are flying above the Sierras here still. Those peaks are pretty high. Want to make another small pan video here, Poussin, just 5 seconds.
Alright. Make use of the ultra wide camera.
And put it upside down so we see more of the mountains until you see the plane, yeah. So, yep. Yeah, so you see the half dome here. So you will look on the left here to see if you see anybody there, but I doubt.
Yosemite National Park.
Okay, so we can do a high performance climb here.
Alright, high performance climb.
You see it takes time for the power to...
Oh! Super high performance climb.
Yep.
Well, it's like a fighter jet. You're just going.
Now we could even go steeper than 12 degrees.
20 degrees.
So 30 degree bank here and about 12 degree pitch, and I am maximum takeoff power here.
It's powerful, yes.
And we're climbing at 3,300 feet per minute. Yep.
That means you could technically get to 30,000 feet in like
Just around the dome.
10 minutes.
And we'll stop at, let's see, 13,000. Okay, I'm backing up the power now. To maximum MCT, maximum continuous power. Alright, so, time to head back. Okay. And I'm going to set the autopilot back to Watsonville, and we'll do it at 14.5, 14,000 or maybe 16.5.
17.
16.5, yep.
Wow. There's a little bit of like a few houses right there at like the bottom of Yosemite. You cannot get this view on an M600. That is for sure.
Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this little mountain surfing on this winter evening, and we'll talk to you guys later. Any comments, co-pilot?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. See you.